Before we start, this solar system has been set up 6 months ago and is still working very well before we record this video. Today the weather is very cloudy, like it's raining since morning, and our 8 pieces of Jinko 440 watts manufactured solar panel, 8 pieces of them connected in series, is giving us 865 watts. But on sunny days we do get 1.5 kilowatts and above. The stabilizer here you are seeing in this video is a higher thermal-cool stabilizer, 5000 kilowatt stabilizer. The purpose of the stabilizer is to charge the inverter. Actually is a hybrid inverter. So the purpose of that stabilizer is to charge the battery. So I prefer using stabilizer instead of any other devices, because stabilizer will stabilize my voltage, which will help in charging my battery very fast, especially during rainy days and at night when there is no sun. Okay, the solar system you are seeing right in your screen is a 24-volt solar system, which the inverter there is it's a Felicity 3 kVA inverter. Then the battery is a C-Watt 15 kilowatt lithium battery, and is installed for is set up for 2-bedroom flat, and the load the 24-volt solar system is carrying include a 3 deep freezer, 4 ceiling fan, that is what is inside the 2-bedroom flat, 75-inch television, 16 kilogram washing machine, and some bulbs. Now there's something you need to note. When the washing machine is on, everything is off, but it can carry the 3 deep freezers, like 2 fans, and the television simultaneously during a sun hour. Please like, share and subscribe.